What's up, man? It's your man Skinny Franco here in Kawasaki, Japan. We just got finished our sound check, and I'm sitting here with Raz. And I said, yo, Raz, what they gonna feed us for dinner tonight? You know, what's happening? I was like, some seaweed on the side of it. I mean, but I'm not joking. They had the seaweed. I mean, I had seaweed this morning for breakfast. I'm not kidding. Some scrambled eggs and a side of seaweed, man. They gave me, man. I'm not playing, man. Yo, man, I know. I'm just this me and Raz here. Like I said, what's the name of the club?
This
Club
Club Cheetah.
Club Cheetah?
Yeah.
Club
Cheetah.
Cheetah. So we trying to figure out what we're going to have for dinner. They're serving dinner in about an hour or so.
Yeah.
And we should be eating. But sound check was good, right? We remembered all the words.
Wonderful.
After a couple of weeks off, we remembered the words and stuff, right?
It was hot. It was hot. So we getting ready for seaweed.
Right. I be hot as this seaweed you about to eat.